Hello friends, we are now at restaurant Zala, which is located in Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia. My name is Ucha, I am the manager of this restaurant, and I want to introduce you our chef Luka, who was the representative of Georgia in Bocuse store, which shows you how to prepare dishes. The first dish is Shkemeruli. Shkemeruli is a chicken in garlic and milk sauce, and the second one is Megrelian Karcho. So first of all, please see the ingredients. Cottage cheese, green ajika, Georgian romi. Romi is made by corn, flour of corn, onion and garlic, walnut, butter, tomato. This is the main ingredients. So please start preparing this dish. First of all, we have to work on the beef meat, beef tenderloin. We have to cut this beef tenderloin like slices. Then we have to use baked corn, which is black. Luka, please show our friends how it looks. Okay. Over the meat, we have to put a little bit of oil. Roll it. And pour this baked corn on the meat. So the meat is all black. Luka, please show. The next we are doing is we have to put this meat in the shape. The next we are doing is this shape and the meat we have to put in the vacuum bag. And when you put this shape and meat in the vacuum bag, then you have to use vacuum machine. Our shape, which is full with this meat, and this is already in vacuum bag, and the vacuum machine also worked really good. Looks like this. The next we have to put this shape and meat in the suicide machine. While our meat is working on the suicide machine, we have to start walnut crumble. So we are using for this butter. Please put this butter, then flour. Next is salt. Spinach sauce, spinach water. Then you have to blend it. This is the crumble. So we have to put this in the fridge because it has to be cold and it has to be like a little bit crispy. Now we have to do puchholia. So what is puchholia? Luka now shows us the ingredients, and we'll explain you what is the puchholia and how it has to be done. So the first ingredient is cottage cheese. The next one is green ajika and little bit mint. Now Luka is cutting the mint, which have to be on the cottage cheese. This is the one of the main ingredients in the puchholia because of taste, which mint cut. Next, this is romi. Romi is made by corn. Romi is some kind of polenta, but we are doing this by corn. So you have to boil this corn, and like polenta is preparing, you have to prepare the romi like this. The next is this mess which we done by cottage cheese, grenadika and mint. You have to put on the romi, then roll in the plastic bag like Luka is doing. Look up the show. Okay. So then you have to roll this like a ball, and it have to be cold also. So you have to put this in the fridge. Our romi, which got inside this cottage cheese, grenadika and mint, looks like this. When you put out this from the fridge, you have to roll it in the egg and then use panko. The next is Megrelian Karcho. This is the main sauce in this dish. So what is Megrelian Karcho? Megrelian Karcho is a sauce which is made by walnut and with Georgian spices. And we will tell you which kind of spices you have to use to prepare this sauce. Take garlic and onion, cut onion, garlic, half onion and half garlic is enough. Depends how big portion you're going to do. Just for one portion, for one person, it's totally enough. This is the walnut, which is already prepared with spices, Georgian spices. The Georgian spices, what we are using, which we are using for this to be prepared, this is Ucha. The next one is Chkemeruli. The next one? And this is the next one is Qviteli qvavil. Qviteli qvavil is in English is a yellow flower. Add please some tomato. But this tomato have to be without skin. This is beef stock. Please add this walnut which we showed you. Add some hot water. Look up, please show our friends how it looks. We have to blend. This stuff with spinach is already cold, so we can put out it from the fridge. So we have to start work on this spinach stuff. So we have to bake this stuff made by spinach, 160 degree, and 15 minutes is totally enough. Next dish is Shkemeruli. Shkemeruli is a Georgian dish made by chicken and milk and garlic sauce. The first ingredient is, of course, the fillet chicken. You have to cut this, add some black pepper, salt, of course. You have to add some olive oil. This shape, which is full of chicken fillet, we have to cover with chicken skin. And we have to put this shape in the vacuum bag, and we have to use vacuum machine. Our chicken fillet, which is in vacuum bag, we have to put this in the sausage machine. We have to start preparing the sauce for Shkemeruli. The first ingredient is garlic. The second one is chicken broth, milk and cream. Next we have to do is that we have to stew this garlic, but not too much, little bit. Add some olive oil. Put this garlic, roll it. Add some chicken broth. Add this milk and cream sauce, and it has to be boiled. This is flour made by corn. There is water, salt, oil. And we have to put this on the shape. So our sauce made by milk and garlic is ready. Please add some black pepper and salt again, not too much of course. So we put out our chicken and now we have to roast it. Our chicken is ready, it is roasted. The sauce is also ready. So we have to serve dish, the name is Shkemeruli, on the plate.